Hi there, what you can see here is the Glisser presentation dashboard. This is where all your presentations will be stored. In order to upload a presentation, just go to the top right and add a presentation from your desktop. You can have either a PowerPoint or a PDF. Once you've uploaded a presentation, you can customize the title of the presentation as it appears in Glisser. Just do that by typing over the text box and saving it. As you can see, it will move into alphabetical order. And you can also customize the URL. We recommend keeping it short and snappy, and it will be a unique URL to you. Once you've done that, you can then edit the presentation to include Glisser features. Here you'll see a slide sorter view of your slides. And on the right is where you can add all the settings. So to turn Q&A on and off, simply press this toggle here. This will enable your audience to ask questions. If you wish to turn moderation on, so you can screen the questions your audience asks, again, just turn it on and off. Slide likes is a really cool feature your audiences love to interact with. If you want to have a Twitter hashtag, simply just turn Twitter on and select the hashtag you'd like them to tweet with. You can also live tweet slides if you so wish. Turning download slides on means that your content is available for your presentation, for your audience to download to PDF. And for your audience to take notes, just simply turn this feature on as well. For our data and security purposes, you can ask your audience to have a password for this event and simply just type it in. It can be anything you like, but again, keeping it short and snappy minimizes the chances of error. To turn email capture on means that your data won't be anonymous and you can attribute your data after the event. If you are in Europe, we would strongly recommend you turning on the GDPR capture settings, which means that you can customize how you tell your audiences you're going to use your data, and it means that you are being GDPR compliant. At the bottom here, under interactions, is where you can drag and drop our polling slides into your presentation. We have a multiple choice, a star rating, and free text slide. The same process applies to all three, so I'll just illustrate one. You just drag and drop a slide into the deck. For multiple choice, you'll need to ask a question and set answers. And you just simply type over the text box and decide if you want to make this a mandatory question or not, as in, do your audiences need to answer the question to carry on with their presentation, or can they skip? Whether you would like them to allow answer changes, and if you would like to share the poll results to your audience devices, although we would not recommend this in a venue that has a low internet bandwidth. You can also decide on what poll display type you would like. The default is to have a hand in which to kind of prompt audiences to what they're supposed to use. You can have it blank, or you can upload your own custom image, such as a sponsor logo. To set an answer for a multiple choice question, you simply type in this box and press enter after each option. You can have up to 12 answers within Glisser. And then after you've added a poll slide, just press save. The same process applies to both the star rating and free text, both of which I would recommend for feedback gathering slides. Under the content slides, you can drag and drop a PDF or PowerPoint file into the deck on here. That will enable you to kind of add content as you go along, or if you have any last-minute speaker additions. If you'd like to add a video slide to Glisser, again, a simple drag and drop. And then from YouTube, you can then get the embed code to add in, or Vimeo. And we recommend not sharing it to audience devices, as it will take up bandwidth as well. And here you can then add text to prompt the audience what to do. Like so, again, just typing over the text box. You can also set a background image on Glisser for the Q&A feed, the Twitter feed, and the poll results. We recommend the nice landscape shot and not a logo, as there is a black filter on it, which will make the writing a tad distorted. Once you've done this, all you have to do is save and exit at the top right, and then your presentation is ready to go. To present a PowerPoint, just select it and press present on the right-hand side, and this will open up in a new tab.